Everybody get up.
Hi, Carrie. Hi. Who invited you to the show? Or how'd you find out about the show? Fabulous. Fabulous. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
We are at the Planet Fashion TV and Wear magazine event for Miami Swimwear Fashion Week. And guess who we have here? We have Carlos from Omega Watches.
Thank you, Celia, for inviting us. We are delighted to be here tonight. We have the latest from the Seamaster Planet Ocean collection. It's probably one of the best and most advanced timepieces in the world with the finest materials. Beautiful. You have a Seamaster Planet Ocean with diamonds. It's automatic with a unique technology patented by Omega in 1999. No other watch company has it, and it's definitely very Floridian, Miami style.
And we're here with Nick Williams.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, Wear Magazine. Thank you for having us today.
And he is a ultra spectacular sports agent.
Yes, we're now a marketing group. We represent a lot of athletes, whether that be NFL, NBA. Of course, our client that's gracing the cover, he's a boxer out of Brazil. So we represent athletes, create different opportunities for them, and you know, in the branding and marketing of their names.
Wow, exciting. So you're here because actually one of your athletes is the host.
Correct, yes. Michael, the Brazilian Rocky Oliveira. He's the host of Today, and you know, he's on the cover of the July-August issue. You know, it's a strong influence of Brazilians that come from South America during the summertime, so we thought it would be fitting to have Michael on the cover of the July-August issue.
We're here with one of the hosts of the event, Michael Oliveira. He is actually a world champion boxer, and we're so excited. So tell me, I know that you're from Brazil, but you live in Miami now, right?
Yeah, I've lived in Miami my whole life. I've been here 23 years. I was born in Brazil, but I've moved here when I was really, really young.
And the boxing thing, I mean, how did you get into it?
My grandfather was a fighter in the military. My dad has always loved boxing, so I guess it runs in the family.
And so now you're really into fashion as well, huh?
Well, I've always been into fashion. My mom owns a bathing suit company in Brazil, so I've been around fashion my whole life, so I know a little bit here and there.
The swimwear that we had tonight was a swimwear designer from Colombia. What did you think about the swimwear?
The bathing suits were really nice. The color goes well with this year. I really liked everything. It was really nice.
I'll take you high. take you higher, higher.